What's up, guys? It's Pandora the Cryptobabe. I'm back real quick just to do a quick update for Spritz. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you haven't checked out my crypto projects, the link is in the description. Go check them out. See what I got going on. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Alright, guys, so we're back just to talk about Spritz just a little bit. Spritz, this off-ramp crypto to your bank account in just one transaction. This virtual debit card. Alright, loving it, loving it. Use your crypto anywhere in the real world. We're here to provide you with refreshingly easy access to the power of decentralized finance, giving you the freedom to use your crypto on your own terms. With our innovative solutions, you can experience a new way to unlock the full potential of your digital assets. Join us today and start using your crypto the way it was meant to be used. All right, so see how Spritz is refreshing finance. We offer crypto payment solutions to fit your lifestyle. Send crypto to your bank, pay your bills, load a Spritz card, spend crypto at millions of merchants worldwide, peace of mind and secure payments, keep your crypto in your hands, pay anyone, pay your rent, pay your friends, pay your parents. Automated payments, set it and forget it with automated crypto bill payments. All right. What is the community saying? So they've got a lot of testimonies here on Trustpilot. And see how we stack up against exchanges. Using Spritz, you keep your crypto in your wallet. Your first $100, the fees, your first $100 is free every month. Ease of use, make payments in one click. Access to assets, spend any asset across 8 blockchains. Time spent, save time and get it done all in one place. Number of steps, set up your payment, confirm it, then go. I really like it because all I have to do is load or fund it, the virtual card that they give us online, send the crypto right over. Love it, love it, love it. All right, guys, so definitely check this thing out. I actually had a Zoom. Let's see what it says over here on this one. I had a quick Zoom yesterday with Brett over at Spritz. They sent out an email asking, hey, if you wanted to provide any feedback. Let's see this email. Hang on a second. Yeah, right here. They asked, we'd love to hear about your experience with the app, etc., how we can improve. So we actually set that up. So they're really interested in your feedback, guys. So we had a little chit chat about the card. I think some of the challenges that I'm seeing or I experienced once or twice was the mobile app to certain crypto wallets. We talked about that. I'd like to see more in the dashboard when you have your referrals. They also talking about it's on the table for a physical card because you know the card we have is virtual. So there's a few things that they've got a roadmap for. Okay. So we talked about that a little bit, but he more wanted to know my experience, what I thought, and if there's one or two things that I would like to see or find challenging, what they would be, those type of things. So they are interested in improving and being better of service to the community. All right, so that was a nice little chat with Brett on a Zoom yesterday. All right, so if you're in the crypto space out there, guys, in any form or fashion, you definitely want to check this out. Get your virtual card. Doesn't cost you a dime. I really like the way this thing is set up. All you got to do is send your crypto right over. and it's a virtual Visa card, right? Online, really cool. And you can connect it to your Apple Pay or your Google Pay wallet, all right, and use it anywhere out in the marketplace that you typically would use Visa. So definitely go check this thing out at www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, as you can see, your virtual card here is online. When you click this, this will reveal your numbers. But like I said, see, it says here you can load your Spritz card into your Apple wallet or your Google wallet for financial freedom on the move. And it can be used anywhere in the world that Visa is accepted. You can pay bills, bank transfer. This is the debit card, virtual card portion, address book, rewards. They have support here. See right here, Apple Store or Google Play, guys. So go check it out. Okay. Love it, love it, love it. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Just want to give you a quick update on this Spritz crypto debit card. Check it out. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.